I'm Sanwa Ali. I'm a consultant at workpermit.com. Today we're going to have a look at alternatives to the H-1B. The H-1B visa is a very popular visa category. However, it gets used up very, very quickly. Within 1 or 2 days of being introduced every year, all the visas are used up. So for many employers, they have to consider alternatives to H-1B. One of the best alternatives to H-1B is the L1. Under L1, if you are a manager or an executive or someone at a highly specialist level, then you can gain entry to the United States as long as you have worked for the same employer or a closely affiliated employer for 1 year out of the last 3 years. So the L1 is certainly worth considering in many circumstances. Another alternative to the H-1B is the H-2B. The H-2B is a visa category that can be used by professional people as well as unskilled people. It's unusual in that it covers almost any type of job. However, it's not very easy to obtain. You need to get temporary labour certification to show there's no one else who can do the job, which is not very easy to obtain. So it's worth considering, but only if there are no alternatives. Another visa category that is relevant in many circumstances is the E1 Treaty Trader or E2 Treaty Investor visa, but that is based on nationality. You need to be the same national as the owner of the company in the United States, and the country that you're coming from has to have a relevant treaty with the United States. So that can be used in certain circumstances. That allows extensions indefinitely in the United States, and is for people covering a wide range of different occupations, management and skilled occupations. Another visa that can be relevant is the J1 visa. The J1 visa is an excellent visa. It's relatively easy to get. However, to come under J1, you need to have an agreement with the US government. The company over in the United States need to have an approved program. The J1 can be useful as it covers a wide range of different occupations. Another visa is the E3 visa, which is only for Australians. So if you are an Australian at a professional level, then the E3 is certainly worth considering. Another visa which is based on nationality is the TN visa. If you are a Canadian or a Mexican national at a professional level, then the TN visa is well worth considering. You gain entry for 1 year, but it can be extended indefinitely. So that's another excellent visa to consider. The L1 visa is meant for people at an exceptional level. It only covers a very, very small minority of people. If you are someone at the top of your profession, or if you're world famous, or you've won international awards, then the O1 visa is certainly worth considering, an excellent visa if you meet the requirements. Another visa certainly worth considering because it's relatively quick and easy to obtain is the B1 Business Visitor visa. If you are being sent from an overseas company, if you're continuing to be employed by the overseas company and you're going to the United States on a relatively short-term basis, say for 6 months or so, then the B1 visitor visa is worth considering. It's relatively easy to get, it's quite quick to obtain, so that is a good visa to look at for short-term work. If you would like further details on the various US visa categories, then look at our website, www.workpermit.com. We have extensive information on various US visas. There's detailed information. If you want to keep up to date on visa news as it happens, we have a weekly newsletter. You'll find further details on how to subscribe at www.workpermit.com/news. Our newsletter is amongst the most popular in the world on immigration topics. I'm Sanwa Ali, workpermit.com.